So, hello dear 8th class students, welcome to our maths class. We started our new chapter algebraic expressions, and in that in the first day we studied about what is constant, what is variable, and what is a term, and what is the algebraic expression. So all these definitions we studied. And the last class also we studied about finding the degree of a algebraic expression, degree of a term or degree of the algebraic expression. So how to find the degree, that we studied. And next we also studied about like terms, unlike terms. So let us continue that. Today is the third lecture number 3 in the same algebraic expression. So in this, let me revise about this like terms and unlike terms, and after that we will go further. See, 2x square, 3x square, these are like terms. Like terms means it should have same variable and degree also should be same. So similar, both are same. 2x square, 3x square. Suppose 2x square y and 5x square y, these are like terms. Same x, same variables and same exponents for the variables. Same exponents for the variables. Here xy, here also xy. That should not be different. Suppose if it is z is there, then they are not like terms. X square, xy, xy. X power 2, x power 2. Y power 1, y power 1. So same, they are like terms. Suppose xyz and xy square z, these are not like terms because xyz same variables. X power 1, x power 1 same, z power 1, z power 1 same, but y power is different. They are not like terms, they are called unlike terms. So that is the difference between like terms and unlike terms. So like terms means same variable and the exponents of the variable should be also same. Now, so after knowing the clarity about these like terms and unlike terms, now I am going to explain you about addition of algebraic expressions. How to add algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions. So, see carefully how to add the algebraic expression. See, addition is possible only if they are like terms. If they are like terms. Suppose there are 5 apples, there are 4 apples. So total how many apples means 5 plus 4, 9 apples. Suppose if there are 5 apples and 4 mangoes, total how many apples? Same 5 only, 4 cannot be added to that. 4 because it is a different category, it is mangoes. So total how many mangoes? So 4 only, we can't add 5 apples as mangoes. So apples are different, mangoes are different. So to find the total apples, so we add apples only. Suppose 5 apples, 4 apples, we add them, we call it as 9 apples. We say it as 9 apples. 4 mangoes, 3 mangoes to 7 mangoes. So mangoes and apples, if we add also, it remains same. So we cannot tell that 5 mangoes and 4 apples, 9 apples we can't tell, and 9 mangoes also we can't tell. So only like terms we have to add only like terms. Addition or subtraction is possible only with the like terms. Suppose 2x square is there, 5x square is there. These are the like terms. Like term means we don't see at the constant or this coefficient. This is called coefficient. So we don't look at this. We see only the variable. 2 and whatever may be the number, 10, 20, whatever may be the number, we are least bothered about it. The concern is only variable is same or not. X same or not, that we have to see. And the power exponent also same or not, that we have to see. So these are the like terms. It is clearly like terms. So how to add? 2x square plus 5x square. We can directly tell 2x square plus 5x square. That means 2 apples, 5 apples, total 7 apples. Directly tell, or you can take x square common. X square common. If x square is taken out, this 2 will remain, plus x square is out, 5 will remain. This is a distributive property. So x square is written here, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 how much? 7x square. You can write like this, or directly also you can write. So this is addition of algebraic expression. The addition is possible only for like terms. Like terms. 2x square y plus 7x square y. We can add these two because they are like terms. xy, xy, x power 2, x power 2, y power 1, y power 1. Simply we can tell 2 mangoes, 7 mangoes, total 9 mangoes. Like that, simply. 2x square y, 7x square y, total 2 plus 7 is 9x square y. 9x square y. Not x power 4 or y power 2. So 2 plus 7 only we have to add, x square y remains same. So 2 mangoes, 7 mangoes, 9 mangoes, not 9 mangoes square. 9 mangoes, that's all. So here also you can directly write 9x square y or take x square y common. X square y common, this is 2 plus this is 7. Total how much? 9x square y. This is addition of algebraic expression. I will add the algebraic expression having more number of terms. See, if algebraic expression having only one term, see these two are examples for one term. This is one term, this is one term. So if one term is given, how to add, I explained. Same way, one term, one term. So if the algebraic expression is having only one term, it is called monomial. Monomial means one term. If it is having two terms, binomial. Binomial means two terms. Trinomial means three terms. Trinomial means three terms. Multinomial means more than three terms. So one term monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, more than three monomial, multinomial. So that we don't require here. We have up to trinomial only. Okay. So now I am explaining how to add the fraction, how to add the algebraic expressions. Now, see, 2x square plus 3xy, and this is one algebraic expression. 7x square plus 4xy. We have to add these two algebraic expressions. Add. See, I will explain two methods. Method 1. 2x square plus 3xy plus, this should be added with this, addition. How to add these two algebraic expressions? Addition is possible if they are like terms. So add only like terms. Add only like terms. So 2x square, which is the like term to this 7x square, because x power 2. So these two are like terms. We can add these two. We cannot add these two. This and this is not possible. We cannot add these two. We have to write as it is. So we can't add these two. 2 plus 3, 5, like that we can't add, because this is xy, this is only x square. There is no y here and there is no x power 2 here. So add only like terms. Which are the like terms? 2x square and 7x square are like terms. So x square common, 2 plus 7, these two over. Remaining 2, xy common, only coefficient 3 remains plus coefficient 4 remains. These two are like terms. Why they are like terms? The variables are same and exponent of the variables also same. So these two, degree and variable, both are same. So therefore xy is common, 3 plus 4. So why I am adding these two only? Because these two are like terms. X square term, x square term, x square common, 2 plus 7. Xy term, xy term, xy is common, 3 plus 4. So total 2 plus 7, 9x square plus 3 plus 4, 7xy. This is the answer. Like this we can add two algebraic expressions. We can add like this also. 2x square plus 3xy plus this one. So to add this, first write down the first algebraic expression here. Below it, write down the second algebraic expression. What is the second one? 7x square plus 4xy. So when you are writing the second expression, see that below x square we write only x square, and below xy there should be only xy term, so that it will be easy to add. Now I am adding. 2x square plus 7x square is 2 plus 7, 9x square. 3xy plus 4xy is 7xy. You can add like this or like this, whichever is convenient you can. So two methods. But addition is possible only with the like terms. We can add only like terms. We can't add these two. We have to write as it is. We can't write 2 plus 3, 5, something like that. Only x square is added, 2x square, 7x, 2x square, 7x square is 9x square, 3xy, 4xy is 7x. Like this. So both the methods. This is the second method, method 2. In method 2, write down the first polynomial here, write the second polynomial below it, so that below x square there should be only x square term, and below xy there should be only xy term. So 2x square, 7x square is 9x square, 3xy plus 4xy is 7xy. So see both the methods. I will give some more examples for practice. Add these two. Add these two algebraic expressions. So it is having three terms, so we can call it as a trinomial. This is also three terms, it is all, we can call it as a trinomial. So how to add these two algebraic expressions? Solution. I am adding. First expression is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is first one, plus second one. Or we can write one bracket like this. And second algebraic expression is 2y square plus 5xy plus 7x square. First expression is written plus second expression is written. Now I am opening the bracket. X square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2y square, plus into plus is plus only, plus into plus only. Now only one step I wrote extra, because this is the first expression, this is the second expression, we are adding these two. So to add, first I wrote in a separate brackets, so the next step I remove the bracket. So removing the bracket, no changes. If you remove, if there is a plus symbol, if you remove the bracket, plus into plus is plus into plus is plus into plus only. Now, how to add? We have to add similar terms. Similar term means x square and 7x square are similar terms. We can't add x square with y square. X square and y square term cannot be added. They are not like terms, they are unlike terms. So these two can be added. So take x square common. X square common means I am adding these two. X square common means what is the coefficient before x square? If there is nothing, that is 1. It is not 0x square, it is 1x square. If there is some number here, we write. If there is no number, it is nothing but 1x square. So x square means how many x squares? 1x square. 1. Next to which term? 7. So this is plus symbol. Plus 7. 1x square, that means 1. X square common means 1 will left. And another is 7x square means if plus symbol plus. X square common means 7 remains. Next. XY term. XY terms are there. This is XY term. This is XY term. We can add only XY term. Apples are added. Mangoes are added. Like this. Similarly, this suppose if it is banana should be added because similar terms, like terms. So okay, XY common. XY common means what will remain? 2 plus. Here also XY common. What will remain? 5. XY common. This is 2 plus 5. Next, y square terms remains. Still we have y square terms. What are the y square terms? 3y square, 2y square. 3y square, 2y square. That means suppose if these two say apples are added. This mango is added. Banana is added. Similar terms. Y square. So y square common. This is 3 plus 2. Y square common. 3 plus 2. What is the answer? 1 plus 7, 8x square. 2 plus 5, 7xy. Plus 3 plus 2, 5y square. Answer. 2 algebraic expressions are added. Second method also you can proceed. Second method. X square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Below it write down this. This is the second expression. But below it, if you write the second expression, 2y square, don't start with the 2y square because below x square there should be only x square term. So where is x square term? This we write first. Any order we can write. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 2 also 7. Commutative property. So I am writing 7x square first. What is the sign for the 7x square? Plus 7x square. Next 5xy I will write next. This y square term I will write here. Because like that we have to write. So this first expression is I wrote same, but second expression I am not writing same order because if you write like this, we will get 2y square first. So x square, below x square there should be only x square term. So there is x square term here, I will write it here. This I will write here, this I will write in the last. There is no change because a plus b, b plus a. 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, both are same. Commutative property you studied in the lower classes. Now add. X square plus 7x square. This, if nothing is there, this is 1x square. 1x square, 7x square is 8x square. 1x square, 7x square, 8x square. 2xy, 5xy, 2 and 5, 7xy. 3y square, 2y square, 2 plus 3, 5y square. Like that. So any method we can add, you can adopt. You can practice any method. Next, another example for addition of algebraic expression. So some minus terms also I included in this. So see carefully, you will get some confusion. So this is the first algebraic expression, this is the second algebraic expression. Now how to add this? So the solution is 7x cube minus 3x square y plus 5y square first term plus, what is the question? Add means plus. Second, 2y square minus 3x cube plus 5x square y close. Addition plus. Now I will remove the bracket. 7x cube minus 3x square y plus 5y square. Plus means no changes. As it is we will get plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus minus. If there is a plus symbol between the two algebraic expressions, second expression, there will be no changes in the signs. So same, plus into plus is plus. Now add the like terms. What are the like terms? This and these are like terms. See, apples like. These are like terms. X cube. Take x cube common. Here 7 remains. Where is another x cube term? Here. What is its coefficient? Not 3, it is minus 3. X cube coefficient is how much? Minus 3. So minus 3. This is 7. This is plus only. This is minus 3. Next I will take x square y terms. These two are x square y terms. X square y terms. X square y terms means this is minus 3. X square y terms means this is minus 3. What is where is another x square y term? Here x square y term. So plus 5. Next, bananas are added. Banana means, so what is the other term left? Y square term. So y square term should be added with only y square term. Y square term cannot be added with this term or cannot be added with this term. Only y square will be added. So in this, I am taking y square common. Y square common means what will remain? 5 plus y square common means what will remain? 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Plus is greater, so we will get plus answer. 5 plus 2 is 7y square. Like this. Okay, so few problems I explained about how to add the algebraic expressions. So to add the algebraic expression, only like term should be added. So like suppose if you have number of fruits in one bag and number of different fruits in another bag. So to add them, we add apples, and apples from first bag, apples from the second bag we add. We tell total number of apples. And mangoes from the first bag, mangoes from the second bag we add, and these many mangoes we tell it as a number. Similarly, bananas from the first bag, bananas from the second bag, those two will be added. So like that, similar term, like terms will be added, like same fruits will be added. Here also in algebraic expression, like terms will be added. So x cube term should be added with only x cube term. We can't add these two. Only x cube is added with x cube. X square y is added with x square y. And y square is added with y square. So this is the addition of, this is the procedure for adding the algebraic expressions. Another method also I explained, that also you can do, and this also you can do. Anyone you can practice. So let us conclude here, and in the next class I am going to explain you about the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So thank you students. Please look at these examples.